unbelievable city.
There's lots to see and do.
And delicious food. Stay tuned for our Xi'an special.
Once again.
We are going to Shaanxi. I don't know, just find a Roujiamo place near where we are living.
What's Roujiamo?
It's like a sandwich or a burger. So there's some meat inside. Must
Let's
be
go
tasty.
check it out.
Let's check it out.
Alright, so we've got the Roujiamo in front of me. It looks like a breakfast favorite in China. It smells amazing. It's got pork in it, and as you can see here, it's got some nice sesame seeds in the bread. Let's give it a try. Crunchy. The meat is so tender. Very flavoursome. Very, very flavoursome.
That's the flavor.
Okay, so we've just had a beautiful breakfast. Cindy, what do you think?
It's tasty and cheap. Oh my god, I'm so full right now.
Yeah.
We have wonton, we have Roujiamo. Such a brilliant breakfast.
Oh my gosh. Well, today we've got some really interesting things happening. We're going to go check out the
Terracotta Warriors,
I'm sure they're going to be as interesting and fascinating as people say.
Let's get to know the history of Qin Shi Huang.
Let's do it.
Yo! So we are now using the Didi to call a Uber, and we're going to the train station of Xi'an. And then from the train station, we're gonna take the bus to Terracotta Warriors. We choose to take the public transport because we wanna use our own time and don't have to wait for others. Let's go.
Doing some research online, and we found that you have to take the number 5 bus. However, because there are so many people that know that you have to take the number 5 bus, this has driven competition to the extreme where everyone claims to be the number 5 bus.
Today's mission, find the right number 5.
Indeed. Alright, let's do this.
I think that's the right one. Cindy's guess. Let's try.
Once again.
Alright, Cindy, so we are at the, what is it called?
Hongmen Yan. It's called Hongmen Banquet. With 3 male, they're trying to take charge of China, and then they had a banquet, they have a dinner. But in this dinner, some terrible things happening, and then one people become the empress since then.
Okay, so we're at the Terracotta Warriors. Let's check it out.
So many people near the ticket office, so you can buy a ticket actually at the entrance. But if you have a WeChat or Alipay, you can actually try those ones. There's a QR code over there. Jump the queue.
So now we're at the Terracotta Warriors. Oh my gosh, so this is pit 1. They're absolutely exquisite.
Every single figurine, they have a different face, different hairstyles, make me think of, are they made by real humans?
So we're at pit 2. There's a lot of buried Terracotta Warriors behind us. If you do have a smartphone, I recommend going onto the App Store and downloading the Baidu app. You can then scan the QR codes at the little signs and see what they kind of look like in the ground.
Oh my god, so many tour groups.
Lesson time. Alright, so if you're in China and you're looking for the toilet, just say the letters WC.
WC?
Followed by the words Zai Nali, which means where is. So WC
Zai Nali.
WC Zai Nali.
homemade. So tasty.
It's a
So
plum,
fresh.
plum juice, right?
Oh yeah, it's plum juice. I like it.
We finally finished buying all of our little souvenirs, so now it's time to go catch the bus and go to the next destination.
Once again. Once again.